Welcome to Next Era Vision. Today, we'll uncover how the world's largest cruise ships are transformed from raw steel into floating cities.
These incredible ships carry thousands of passengers and crew, offering luxury, entertainment, and unforgettable journeys across the world's oceans.
Every cruise ship begins as an idea, where naval architects and engineers design every deck, cabin, and system using advanced computers.
Powerful simulations test stability, ocean waves, wind resistance, and passenger safety long before construction ever begins.
Once approved, construction begins inside one of the world's largest shipyards, where thousands of skilled workers bring the design to life. Special marine-grade steel is delivered to the shipyard, providing the strength needed to survive decades at sea. Computer-controlled laser machines cut every steel plate with incredible precision before assembly begins. Massive robotic welding systems permanently join steel panels together, forming the ship's powerful outer hull. The hull is built in giant sections, each weighing hundreds of tons, before being transported to the dry dock. Inside the dry dock, giant cranes carefully lift each section into position with remarkable precision.
Engineers align every section perfectly before thousands of welds permanently unite the structure into one enormous vessel.
Next, workers build the ship's double-bottom structure, adding extra strength and improving safety at sea. Large watertight compartments are created inside the hull to help protect the ship during unexpected emergencies.
Powerful marine engines and propulsion systems are prepared, while the ship's main structure continues to grow. With the hull complete, the floating city is finally ready for engines, electrical systems, and its luxurious interior.
Now comes the heart of the ship. Massive marine engines are carefully lowered into the engine room using giant cranes. Each engine produces enormous power, allowing this floating city to travel thousands of kilometers across the open ocean. Next, giant propellers and powerful electric propulsion systems are installed beneath the ship for smooth and efficient movement. Engineers connect fuel systems, cooling pipes, electrical cables, and control systems throughout the engine room.
Every connection is inspected repeatedly to guarantee reliable operation during long ocean voyages.
Above the engine room, electricians install thousands of cables that power every system across the entire ship. The captain's bridge is equipped with advanced radar, navigation computers, communication systems, and intelligent control technology. Powerful stabilizer fins are installed to reduce rolling, making every journey smoother, even in rough seas. Freshwater systems, air conditioning, and wastewater treatment plants transform the ship into a fully self-sufficient city at sea. Construction now shifts to the passenger areas, where thousands of luxury cabins are carefully assembled deck by deck. Premium suites receive spacious balconies, stylish interiors, and breathtaking ocean views designed for maximum comfort. Restaurants, cafes, shopping areas, and entertainment venues are built to create an unforgettable onboard experience. Swimming pools, water parks, theaters, and sports facilities transform the ship into a floating luxury resort. Glass elevators, beautiful gardens, and grand atriums are completed, bringing elegance and life to every deck. With every system installed and every room completed, the world's largest cruise ship is finally ready for inspection and sea trials. Construction is complete, but before carrying passengers, the ship must pass hundreds of strict inspections and safety checks. Every engine, propeller, electrical system, and safety device is carefully tested to guarantee reliable performance at sea. The ship receives its final protective paint, polished exterior, and iconic branding before leaving the dry dock. Powerful lifeboats and emergency evacuation systems are installed to protect thousands of passengers in every situation. Advanced radar, satellite communication, and navigation systems are activated for the very first time. The dry dock slowly fills with water, allowing the completed cruise ship to float freely for the very first time. Powerful tugboats carefully guide the enormous vessel toward open water for its first sea trial. Engineers test acceleration, steering, propulsion, and navigation while the ship sails through open seas. Emergency drills and stability tests ensure the ship remains safe even during challenging weather and rough ocean conditions. Thousands of sensors record valuable performance data, helping engineers fine-tune every onboard system before delivery.
After successfully completing every trial, the ship earns official international safety certification for passenger service.
The world's newest floating city is officially delivered to its cruise line, ready to welcome guests from around the globe.
Passengers finally step aboard, exploring luxurious cabins, restaurants, theaters, pools, and endless ocean views.
Behind every unforgettable voyage stands the dedication of thousands of engineers, designers, welders, electricians, and skilled craftsmen.
From giant steel plates to the world's most luxurious floating city, every cruise ship is a masterpiece of engineering and human imagination. Thanks for watching Next Era Vision. Like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible technology documentaries. See you in the next episode.